First of all, name of Allah. Hi. In this CSS tutorial, we will learn about define sizes of multiple background image. Input section, we will use heading level 1 and close the heading level 1. Heading. Define. Multiple background image. Underneath heading level 1, we will use open development and close the development. In between developments, we will use heading level 1 and close the heading level 1. In between heading level 1, we will use dummy text just for learning. Copy, paste into heading 1. Underneath heading level 1, we will use open p element and close the p element. In between p elements, we will use dummy text just for learning. Copy entire text. Copy and paste into paragraph. Underneath, copy and paste underneath paragraph element. Control V use for paste. Now we will apply CSS on this div and we will use internal CSS. Open style tag and close the style tag. In between style tag, we will use period factor and selector. Example 1, open curly braces and close curly braces. In between curly braces, we will use background colon URL parentheses. In between parentheses, we will use image. I already saved image in root folder. This is the root folder image. Open, and this image we will use a right click on it, property, and type of file .jpg, size 2.52 MB. In parentheses, we will use root folder name image /a.jpg semicolon and left top not bit. This period vector and ex1 selector use in div. Class selector we will use equal double quotes. In between double quotes, we will use selector ex1. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. This image appear on right side, so we will use its size background -size colon 50 px semicolon and save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. The background size property also accepts multiple values for background size using a comma separated list. When working with multiple background using 3 background images specified with different background size value for each image. Now we will use another image, comma URL and parentheses use. In between parentheses, we will use image. This B image use, right click on it, property, type of file .jpg and size 1.13 MB. Image and b.jpg Image root folder name / picture name b dot jpg extension should be same, and its position set right, bottom, and nor weight. In size, this image set comma and use 50px and save the file. Go to the browser and refresh the page. As you can see, we use the right bottom image b.jpg appear on right bottom side. Now we will use background image full size, comma, URL, parenthesis, in between parenthesis we will use c.jpg, click on it, right click on it, property, type of file .jpg, and size 18.3 MB. So we will use this image c image, root folder name image / and c.jpg, and set the size third image, comma, and use 1800px. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. As you can see, we used background image and its background size 1800px. Now we will use adding column 15px symbol, save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Now we will use its color change, font color change, and text color change, color gray symbol. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. We use text color change into green